Cluster IP, I think, I don't know exactly whether we can access it or
Okay.
not.
Okay. Now, Ravi, what your understanding from this diagram, or means what you know about this node port? Node port. See, node port is itself service, right? This is the second service that we have studied. First service we have studied the cluster IP service. Second one is node port, correct? If I am not wrong. Okay, I think Ravi have not clear. Okay, now Hulas.
या तो यहाँ पे एक यूजर है जो अपने कुबरनेटिव क्लस्टर को एक्सेस कर रहा है थ्रू नोड पोर्ट। तो
Okay,
यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक पॉड है और एक सर्विस है। सर्विस के अंदर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है जिसमें कि नोड पोर्ट टाइप नोड पोर्ट दिया हुआ है। नोड पोर्ट
this
के
is the node port. Okay,
यस, तो नोड पोर्ट के थ्रू हम अपने पॉड को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं विद इन नेटवर्क बट आउटसाइड द क्लस्टर।
okay. Means with the help of node port, I means node port, we can access the application. Means user can access the application outside the
द
means
मास्टर
from the
नोड
browser,
आईपी,
right?
यस, ब्राउज़र यूजिंग मास्टर नोड आईपी।
Using the or master node IP or Kubernetes means
और
whatever the worker
हाँ,
node available. From that one also we can access, correct?
हाँ, हाँ, क्लस्टर
That
आईपी
I
से नहीं होगा। और ये मास्टर नोड है या फिर वर्कर नोड की आईपी से होगा, क्लस्टर आईपी से नहीं होगा आउटसाइड। इनसाइड हम कर्ल करके देख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे हो जाएगा, वो
okay,
विद इन द
perfect.
नेटवर्क हो जाएगा।
Okay, perfect, perfect. Good answer. So see here Ulas is able to explain. Okay, now Sandeep. Now Sandeep, what about
Oh,
your
yeah. So here we can say that so node port is nothing. It is a service and this provides a service. So it serves as some external entry point. So here the incoming request is there. And incoming request we can access it inside the pod only. Outside of the means real in the public access means outside of the outside world we cannot be accessed with the help of pod IP. So only we can access with the help of worker or master node with the help of particular port. We can access in the outside of the world, but inside we cannot be access it. We can try to ping means curl command.
means we can use the curl command to check out that this one is working or not from inside the cluster, correct? Okay, good. So see here Sandeep and Ulas on better
Hello.
explanations. Ah, yeah, Sandeep.
It was good.
Yeah, yeah, good, 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 Sandeep, good.
Okay.
Okay, now see little bit. Now I will explain here. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, see if you are able to see these pictures, this picture is explaining so many things. Okay, so see here I have drawn one user here. Okay, and then after this user, okay, this user where it's try to hit on the cluster. Okay, on the cluster. See if you are able to see Kubernetes nodes I have written here. Kubernetes, Kubernetes nodes means this is the master node maybe or worker node maybe. Okay. So I have written the node, so means worker node. Okay, this is the worker node IP, suppose I have given, or maybe master node I can. Okay. So now what happened, DevOps engineer have created one applications. Okay, with the help of deployment.yml, what DevOps team did? DevOps team have created one deployment files. Okay, with the help of deployment file, what they have created? He have created this pod. Okay, so now see this is the web app applications and this is the pod. Okay, and these applications having one target port that I already explained. Okay, target port means what? Means whatever the application. Okay, see, whenever you are deploying any application like Java application, there is one local host, and then after port number we are giving. Like say Java application, when we have executed, that time we have seen HTTP colon, then after forward slash double forward slash, then after local host. Okay, then after localhost colon 8080. Okay, that we already have. I already shown to you guys, correct? So that is the target port. Okay. Now see. Now here, what DevOps team did? DevOps team have created one service. Okay. So service is what? What kind of service he created? He created one node port service. Okay. With the help when he created node port service, there you can mention one port. Okay, one port number. So see, here I have written 8080 and here also I have written 8080. Okay, so it is suggested or recommendable to use both IP like both port like same. Okay, target port or port. Okay, whatever you are writing the port inside the service, you can write the same port number. Okay, that is recommendable. Okay, but you can write here different port number as well. That will also work. Okay, now what happened? Now node port service you have created. When node port service created by you, that time one node port came. Okay, now node port came here. Okay, so now what happened? Now this figure what shows? See, this target port is inside the cluster. This target port is also inside the cluster. Okay, now this one is okay. This one is, see, if you are not going to create node port service, by default cluster IP service will create, correct? Cluster IP service will create. Okay, so now whatever you have what you have created now node port. Okay, so node port, and see here I have written port IP. Okay, so this, if you will see here, okay, if I will show you here, where is that? kubectl -n log prod get svc. See here. Here in last classes I have taken the load balancer. That's why it's showing as a load balancer. But if we use the type like node port, then here will be node port, but here will be cluster IP only. Correct? Okay. So now this is the service. Okay. Now whenever user trying to hit, okay, now whenever users, suppose one developer want to access the application, okay, then you can give your master node IP or worker node IP, and then after you will give their whatever the node port will create, that you have to give to the user. Here user is developer. Okay, now see, same thing if you will create in AWS. Okay, suppose your cluster in AWS. So in AWS, what will happen? There you are able to see one public IP address, right? So if you are there is what public IP address. So with the help, see, whatever the server you created there, like master node, worker node, there you will get IP. So there you will get two types of IP. There one is public and one is private. Okay, so with the help of public IP, user can, with the help of public IP of worker node, master node, okay, anything, or with the node port outside the world also. Okay, in the AWS case. if you are means if you are trying to access with the public IP plus node port, okay, that you guys can try it. Okay, I will also show you. Okay, I will also show you after I will create one cluster on AWS, and there also I will show you. Okay, and here I think I already shown in the on premises. So later on we will go with AWS also. Okay, there also I will show you. So now next I think node port is clear to all now. Okay, then after I explained about load balancer, I remaining to explain it, right? Just I created the load balancer only, just it, right? After installation of Metal LB. Metal LB, whatever I did that I given to you guys, or it's remaining? Installation step I shared, or this one is remaining to share?
No, it's not yet shared.
Oh, okay. I haven't shared it, right? Okay, okay. I will share it. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now see, load balancer and load balancer service and name service. Okay. Both I will explain on AWS. Okay. There actually I have R&D a lot of, but what I pay actually there again I need to purchase one public IP. So and so many R&D required there. Okay. So that's why I thought to explain in AWS. Okay. So that I will explain it. Okay. But other than this one, we have so many concept of Kubernetes. Okay. So first we will learn the Kubernetes concept. Okay. Then after we will deploy our application as a live. Okay. So whenever we have to launch one applications like so that everyone can access. Okay, that I will show you with the help of AWS. Okay, but before that one, we will study about the Kubernetes concept. So many things are available inside the Kubernetes, so we have to learn first those things. In the last, okay, in the last we will see the namespace service and load balancer service. Okay, both service I will show you later on, or otherwise if I will create cluster on the AWS, I will show you. So in a starting classes I have mentioned about the cost coming. Okay, so that is not like more. Okay, so I will try. Okay, so now what we have to do, see previously I have shown you with Nginx. Okay, but in Docker in Docker, we have deployed our application, one log DevOps application, right? UI application, backend application, and database application. That I shown to you guys. I think you guys are remember it.
Yes.
It's you have seen, right?
Yes.
There I think I have created the image where I. Okay, that also I will show you. Where we created on Docker Hub, right? Okay. See, here I have created the image. I think this one is, see, these all are public. So you guys, oh my God, so many download are there. 145 download. 78. Okay, I should make it. Okay. That's why means what happened when I published one video on YouTube channel. Okay, their count was increasing. That's why I make it private. I will launch it after sometimes. Okay. Okay. So guys, see right now I will show you with the deployment of this image. Okay, log dev UI. Okay, and today is Sunday, right? So next coming Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. So you guys have to come with the deployment of backend and database. Okay. Today I will show you how we can deploy this log DevOps UI. Okay. How we can write the deployment file and how we can write the service file. Okay. That I will show you for this one. Okay. So at least you guys can try for the backend. Okay. Later on, If you guys are failed, then I will explain it. Okay. So today come here.
अच्छा, ये लोड बैलेंसर के लिए जब मेटल एलबी इंस्टॉल किया था तो उस समय एक्सटर्नल आईपी नहीं आ रहा था, फिर उसके बाद और क्या किया वो बताना बाकी है।
Okay. See, there I explained about this one. Okay, I'm coming to the document again. Okay. See, I think load balancer, I already shown to you guys, I think, correct?
लोड बैलेंसर जस्ट मेटल एलबी इंस्टॉल किए थे, उसके बाद लोड बैलेंसर।
Okay, मेटल एलबी मैंने इंस्टॉल किया था, करेक्ट?
हाँ, उसके बाद से फिर बाकी है।
हाँ, see now. After installing the metal LB, you are able to see the load balancer IP. Okay. So now in on premises we have Nginx. Okay, I will show you how this one is. This one I already explained, I think. Or Nginx. Oh, this one is remaining. Okay, Nginx controller diagram. Okay. Okay, I will explain this one then first. This one I didn't explain you guys now. Ingress controller, okay. See, why why ingress controller and what is ingress controller actually? Okay, that we should know actually. See, Metal LB we will not learn in the AWS or anywhere in the cloud. Okay, Metal LB only work is to provide the load balancer IP. Okay, now after that, Nginx what will do? Okay, Nginx here come to the picture. See here. Here pod is okay, service is okay. Now user is available here. Okay. So now what is the work of ingress controller here? Okay. See, if you will search, even one more things I explain, I think in controller about the controller. One more thing I will show you guys. Ingress controller Kubernetes. Okay. See, now this is the ingress controller page of Kubernetes. Okay. So if you will see, this is the concept. Ingress controller is the concept of Kubernetes. Okay, that I will explain in deep. Okay, after some classes. Okay, after some classes I will explain this concept deeply. Okay, but before that one, come to here. Okay, see here. Here you are able to see AKS application gateway ingress controller, Alibaba cloud MAC ingress, and then after here you are able to see Nginx. Somewhere Nginx, yeah, see the Nginx ingress controller for Kubernetes. Okay, and one more you are able to see here Istio ingress. Okay, these both are this one Nginx ingress controller and Istio ingress controller. Okay, these both ingress controller are very important. Okay, with the help of this ingress controller, we will launch our web application, or means whatever we are launching the web application with the backend or DB. Okay, with the help of Nginx and Istio, we will be able to launch that application. Okay, so before that one, we will learn few more concept about the Kubernetes. Okay, see, uh, if you are coming to the on premises, okay, if you are coming to the on premises, I try to install the Nginx controller. Okay, Nginx ingress controller I already installed and it was working. Okay, it was working. Okay, one more thing I will show you. See, here Nginx controller, I installed it. Okay, this is the installation part. Okay. Now, if you are able to see, okay, yeah, see here, here, here you are able to see the Nginx ingress controller. Okay, Nginx ingress controller, and here you are able to see load balancer is available. Okay, and this one is converting with load balancer IP. Okay, so now see what happened in the node port service and cluster IP. See, by default, what happened? Cluster IP is created. Correct. Cluster IP is created. Then after we have created the node port. Okay. Then after here load balancer cluster IP converted to the node port. Okay. Now after this node port take place of load balancer. Okay, in place of node port will come load balancer. Now balancer and Nginx. Okay, Nginx. So this is the load balancer IP. Okay, so if you want to access through this load balancer IP, okay, so again one more concept is there, that is public IP. Okay, so what happened actually, I try to access the application with that domain. Okay, with the domain. So this is the Nginx controller load balancer IP. Okay, so again what I did, again I have created one service. Okay, 1 minute. I think that I didn't, I forgot to attach that snapshot. 1 minute. Okay, where? No, who is now? Okay. 1 minute, guys. See, here you are able to see now. This is the load balancer. Okay, this is the load balancer. Okay, now what happened? I have written one log load balancer deployment.yml. Here I mentioned what? Load balancer, right? So now what will happen? Whenever we will deploy this application and this service, okay, when we will deploy this service, we will get, what we will get? We will get one load balancer IP. Okay. So now here, see, here 192, 168, 1, 240. Okay, 240 is there. So here you are able to see, welcome to my web application. I am able to access the application with the help of load balancer. I think this one is remaining to explain, correct? This application I did not I think explain. I think this one I explained it or not?
नहीं ये नहीं किए थे
Okay, this one I think. Okay, yani metal LB only I deployed, no. Okay. And one more thing, this HTTP, this all things I haven't shown you guys, I think. Okay. Okay, then what I should do? Okay, this one. Okay, see, one thing we can do. See, here I deployed the Nginx controller. Okay, so here nothing is like more things. Okay, if you will deploy the Nginx controller on premises, okay, on premises also, there what will happen here only what I did here I mentioned. Okay, one more things I want to ask. With the load balancer, I am means what I load balancer. One more thing. Some more things. Actually, I forgot these all thing that I explained or not. Okay, when I created the load balancer, with the load balancer IP, we are able to access the application or not? That I shown you or not?
लोड बैलेंसर का आईपी उस दिन नहीं आया था जो मेटल एल भी इंस्टॉल किया था
वो एक्सेस नहीं हो रहा था आउटसाइड से भी
ओके लोड बैलेंस नहीं मतलब so inside we are able to access like see what I am able to show you now. See here curl http 192.168.1.240. This one I shown you to or not? See here is the load balancer. Okay, this is the load balancer IP. Are you guys tried or not? I don't know.
ये वाला किए थे तो आउटसाइड से एक्सेस नहीं था
So means inside the cluster you are able to access with the load balancer IP.
आई थिंक इनसाइड से भी नहीं था
I think you guys are not able to access the application with inside this one also, correct? If I am not wrong.
कर्ल करके चेक किया था सिर्फ
So with the help of curl, you are able to access or not?
कर्ल करके आई थिंक एक्सेस था शायद मुझे एग्जैक्ट नहीं याद है बट आउटसाइड का किया था तो वो नहीं हुआ था
Outside, see, outside we will be able to. Okay, got it now, got it. See now what will happen. See, I think I explained about load balancer IP. Okay, and I told you guys with the help of load balancer we can access the application outside the world. I think those things I explained, but that time we are not able to access the application with the help of load balancer. I think outside the world or means from the browser. Correct?
करेक्ट है
So see now, see here curl what I try to show you with the when we install the ingress. Okay, when we install the ingress. Okay, here oh, where it gone. I think I attached this here and there. That's why it's difficult to explain. I will make it better you for guys. See here I have installed the Nginx ingress controller. Okay, after Nginx ingress controller, okay,